Okay, we are going to the next attraction sa Rain Cloud Forest. We are currently here at Flower Dome, at ang kanilang theme this period is Sakura until April 6. Ayan, ito na. Baba, labas na kami. Okay guys, next attraction that we visit here is itong Cloud Forest. Ayan, alright, man-made falls at saka indoor siya. Ayan, indoor siya. Okay, so there's our
Dear visitors, please be reminded that eating and drinking is not allowed in our observatory. Kindly also do not touch our plants and flowers. We thank you for your cooperation.
We are here at the Garden by the Bay. At ang second attraction we visited is Cloud Forest. Okay. Oh, wala nang tao sa likod ninyo. Naubos. And guys, we will go up doon. We're going to use the lift. So, akit kami doon sa taas. Ayan, then pababa kami. Actually, dito yata ang exit na niyan eh. Dito na ang exit. Ayan. We're taking lift to the Lost World. Ayan. Right. We are at the 6th level to the Lost World here. To the Lost World. Let's see what we can find out here. Yun ang observatory. Singapore. Yung Singapore Flyer po. Flyer. So we will hear. Oh, ito yung kanina yung ng mist at saka yung waterfall. So this down there is where we started. Down there. Finally, taking shot. Start your climb to the Lost World. So dito tayo. Okay. This is where we... ito na yung top ng dome. Now heading to the Cloud Walk. Cloud Walk. Cloud Walk. Yan ang ganda ma. Yep. Hello. Scary yung phone dito guys we are here at the Cloud Walk. Ayun naman yung OCBC Skyway. Nakakuha kayo dyan? Ayan. Collected. Okay, Cloud Walk. Cloud Walk. Part pa rin to ng Cloud Walk. Hindi naman steep. Mukhang maganda doon galing kanina.
Okay,
we are here at the Water View Fall. And then heading to the Crystal Mountain daw. Crystal Mountain. Lang. Water View. And going down again. Just Passion, I'm not sure if it's the Passion Crystal Mountain. So we are here. So, oh yeah, doon kami galing kanina sa taas. And that is where we started nung aming Lost World. So, back tayo dito ulit. Okay, we are here at the Treetop Trek. So we are here, the family is here. The family. Okay, we're entering the Crystal Mountain. Yan ang Crystal Mountain. Ang dilim. So, matulog pa. Oh yeah, ha? So we can go down na. Dito na tayo. Following the direction to Green World and Secret Garden. Ooh, truly secret. Start. Konti tayong show dito if you want to watch. So doon ang way out or exit. Dito sa Secret Garden and way out. Yeah, this is the Secret Garden. Itong Secret Garden pala below lang itong mga where we are at earlier. Mga real plant, di ba? Is it real plant? Even the flower. These are all real. Ayaw na, nagsawa na si Mami. Okay. at that fruit. We're here at Secret Garden. Exit. Okay, end of our tour here at Cloud Forest. Ooh, this is the lastest. This is the lastest. Ooh, okay.